Oh, what you got in here?
I hope you're hungry.
Some fishes.
Okay, that's disgusting. Got some
bad.
salmon, some nice Icelandic cod, and a whole smoked eel.
Eel? Poisonous!
No. Okay.
I hate eel.
I don't like eel much either.
Yeah, I hate eel.
Mind me, I'll just back here.
Delicious.
It's okay.
Did you just fix tail?
Okay. It's not too bad. It works.
Gotta go fast! Woo-hoo! I'm flying! Oh no, not again! Woo! I'm freedom, I can fly! Yeah! Woo-hoo! Yeah, freedom for flying!
Yes, I did it!
Huh? Get off me! Okay, I trust our Hiccup.
Today is about teamwork. Now, a wet dragon head can't light its fire. The hideous sippleback is extra tricky. One head breathes gas, the other head lights it. Your job is to know which is which.
Razor-sharp serrated teeth that inject venom for pre-digestion. Prefers ambush attack, crushing its victims.
Will you please stop that? If that dragon shows either of his faces, I'm gonna... There!
Hey, it's us, idiots.
Your butts are getting bigger. We thought you were a dragon.
Not that there's anything wrong with a dragon-esque figure.
Come here, you!
Wait.
Oh, I'm hurt! I am very much hurt!
Chances of survival are dwindling into single digits now.
Really?
Wrong head.
You! Really? You lost. And I won! Eel? Get away. No. Okay, we are backing up.
Don't you make me tell you again! Yes, that's right.
No, please. Mission. No.
Now think about what you've done.
Not the eel. Get away.
Okay, so are we done? Cause I've got some things I need to, Yep, see you tomorrow.